I'm going to give you a complete beginner guide for Wix. First off, you want to head over to wix.com and you want to tap on Get Started. Now, let's just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you can load with any one of these sign-up features. So go with Google. So for me, I'm going to go with Google so it's easier. Let me just log into my Google account here. Let's just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you'll see it'll buffer and then it'll start the sign up process. Now, once it's signed up, we can actually start creating the Wix website. Now, on here, you can either skip this website tutorial, but I do recommend you go through the questionnaire here. Now, who are you creating this website for? For me, I'm just going to say myself and I'm going to tap on continue. Now, from here, again, wait for it to load. Wix has a lot of loading screen here. Now, you can bring your ideas to life with AI. So you can create a website with AI and it'll set it up all from scratch. But I'm going to tap on setup without chat because it's more customizable and you have more control over it, right? Now, it begins with what you actually want to do. You want an online store, you want a portfolio, you want a blog, restaurant, event. Now, for me, I'm just going to make an online store here, for example, and I'm going to tap on continue. Now, once you pick an online store, they'll present you with a couple of things here, right? So you can see it'll first off load my dashboard here. Now, once it loads my dashboard, you'll see something like this, right? Now, we can start setting up a store. First off, I'm going to set a store name. For example, I'm going to do example store like this, right? I'm going to tap on continue. Now, do you already have an online store? No, I'm just going to tap on no, I'm just starting out. Now, on here, you want to tap on what kind of products you're selling. You can pick any one of these. I'm just going to say physical products. I'm going to tap on continue. Now, on here, how are you offering your products? I'm going to tap on continue, and then you're all set. Now, we're going to continue on to our dashboard here. Now, the dashboard is actually where all of the magic happens, but you want to get to the meat and bones, which is the actual website, right? If you want to actually get to the meat and bones, you want to tap on design your site here. You want to tap on design site on this button here. Now, once here, again, they'll prompt you to generate the design with AI or you can customize a template. Me, myself, I really like customing my own template, again, because it's much more customizable for me, right? Now, on here, we'll actually get to pick which kind of template you want, right? Now, I'm going to pick, for example, this one default. I'm going to tap on edit. Now, once I edit my template, it'll load, and this is actually what's going to become my website here, right? Now, this is what it will look like. For it to load first. Once it loads, you'll see something like this. Just exit out the AI things, and then you'll see that this is what it will look like. It might look a little complicated, but I promise it's pretty easy. First off, I'm going to actually show you how you can edit what's already here, right? So first off, let's just zoom in at it. Now, for example, we want to edit this text. Now, it's kind of like a PowerPoint or Canva if you ever used one. You can see there's already text and buttons that's going to be appearing here, right? So for example, right now, the text says revert. I want to double click on that and I can change it to whatever I'd like. I'm going to change it to example, for example, like that. And now the text, it'll be like that. And you can see there's going to be a pop-up window that appears right here as well. That's what it will look like. This is exactly like Canva or PowerPoint if you have messed with any of that, right? So with that in mind, it has the same principle for all of the elements here. You just basically double click it to customize it, right? If you want to add anything new, you just have to tap on the plus icon here, add elements, and then there's gonna be a ton of things that you can add. Image, strip, decorative, box, gallery, contacts and form, video, music, embed code, social, payments, blog, store, a lot of these things, right? I'm going to show you, for example, how you can add a strip or decorative here. So for decorative, if you want to add something, just click it like this, and then it'll automatically add it like this, right? So for example, I want to add a decoration on you in here. I'm just going to put it on the side like this, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. It's a drag and drop system. It's pretty easy for beginners, and it's pretty customizable for those who knows what they're doing. So that is how you use Wix as a beginner.